Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a detailed comparison between two newly launched Motorola smartphones, the Moto Edge 60 Fusion and the Moto Edge 60. These two models look similar at first glance, but they're built for slightly different users. Whether you're into performance, design, or value for money, we'll break it all down for you. So let's get started. Design and build. Let's begin with the design. Both the Moto Edge 60 and the Edge 60 Fusion carry Motorola's signature sleek and premium aesthetics. They both feature curved edges and slim profiles that feel great in the hand. However, the Edge 60 Fusion takes it a step further with its vegan leather finish option, giving it a more luxurious touch compared to the standard glass or matte finish on the Edge 60. In terms of build quality, both devices have IP68 water and dust resistance, which is great to see in this price segment. The Fusion is slightly lighter, making it a bit more comfortable for long use, but the difference is minimal. Display. Now, let's talk about the displays. Both phones sport a 6.7-inch OLED display with full HD plus resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate. You're getting vibrant colors, deep blacks, and ultra-smooth scrolling on both. Whether you're gaming or binge-watching Netflix, these displays deliver an excellent experience. The only real difference is in brightness levels. The Edge 60 Fusion offers a slightly higher peak brightness, making it easier to use under direct sunlight. But for indoor and casual outdoor use, both are top-notch. Performance. Under the hood, the two phones differ more significantly. The Moto Edge 60 is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7025, while the Edge 60 Fusion boasts the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 processor. Now, in real-world usage, both perform well for daily tasks like browsing, social media, and multitasking. However, when it comes to gaming and heavy apps, the Snapdragon 7's Gen 2 in the Fusion has a noticeable edge. It offers better GPU performance and more efficient thermals. If you're someone who plays games like PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile, the Fusion will serve you better. Camera. Moving on to cameras, both phones sport a 50MP main camera, and the photo quality in daylight is impressive on both. Images are sharp, dynamic range is good, and Motorola's color science is consistent across the two models. The Edge 60 Fusion comes with a 13MP ultra-wide sensor, while the regular Edge 60 features a 13MP ultra-wide plus macro combo. If you're into wide landscape shots, the Fusion slightly wins, but if you want to experiment with close-up shots, the Edge 60's macro function might appeal to you. For selfies, both feature a 32MP front camera, and performance is nearly identical. Natural skin tones and good edge detection in portrait mode. No major difference here. Battery and charging. Battery life is another crucial area. Both phones come with a 4,400 mAh battery and support 68W turbo power fast charging. You can go from 0 to 50% in just about 15 to 20 minutes, which is super convenient. In daily use, you'll easily get a full day out of either device. Motorola has optimized the software and hardware well, so battery drain is minimal when idle. There's no wireless charging, but at this price, that's expected. Software experience. Both devices run on Android 14 with Motorola's near-stock MyUX skin. It's clean, bloatware-free, and responsive. You also get Motorola's signature gestures like the chop for flashlight and twist for camera, which are genuinely useful. Motorola promises 2 years of OS updates and 3 years of security patches, which is decent, though not the best in the industry. Price and final verdict. Now let's talk about price. The Moto Edge 60 is priced slightly lower, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious users who still want a premium experience. The Edge 60 Fusion is a bit more expensive, but it justifies the cost with better performance, a more premium design, and a slightly better ultra-wide camera. So which one should you buy? If your priority is casual usage, a great display, and solid camera performance, the Moto Edge 60 is more than enough. But if you want a smoother gaming experience, better build materials, and can spend a bit more, the Edge 60 Fusion is the smarter choice. And that's a wrap on today's comparison between the Moto Edge 60 and the Edge 60 Fusion. Let me know in the comments which one you'd go for. and why. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.